What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Happy Tuesday. So I wanted to share a few things in this video, but I also wanted to talk about something primarily, and that is a skill that I believe you must possess. And this skill is going to be something that will really get you to the next level. So there's a million ways to skin a cat, like people like to say, but this skill, most guys don't have it in the trades. And in my opinion, this is going to be what gets you from like $300 to $400 a day to that $600, $800, $1,000 a day. And guys like the Bulletproof Handyman, Alan Lee, who else? The Handyman Experience, all those guys, they have this figured out, and they've done a great job. And I'm going to just kind of hit on it from my own perspective. So this skill is being organized. Being organized. So what I do to help me with that, obviously I got all the packouts. So the packouts keeps me organized with like kits and tools and material and where things are supposed to go. So organization. Number two, having that CRM, that customer relations management, that software that I talk about a lot, that a lot of guys talk about. And there's all different ones. There's Markate, there's Jobber, there's Joyce, there's Handyman Champion. There's a bunch of them. And so get yourself a CRM day one. Don't care which one. Just get that one going. That's going to be the key to being organized. Same thing with the packouts. You don't need to do packouts. You could do the mod box. You can do the DeWalt kit. You could do the black and yellow bins for all I care. But being organized is going to really make you not only more efficient, but it's going to create less headaches. And less headaches is always a good thing, because at the end of the day, you don't want to get home, just be pulling your hair out because you know something's back there in the vehicle and you have no idea where it is, but it's there. You know it's there. But where the hell is it? So be organized, guys. Don't think that, oh, I can just throw everything in the front seat, everything in the truck, everything's going to be okay. It will for a while, until you need that one screwdriver or that one paintbrush or that one sanding sponge. Just get yourself some systems. Listen to those before you, and you're going to have to spend a little bit of money to get, properly organized. I spent, like I've done in all these other videos, I spent like $2,000 on all these packouts. And I remember when I spent the first like $375 on the first kit, I was like, all right, I'm done. $375. I had no clue that I was going to be spending a heck of a lot more to come just to keep those kits and keep that organization moving along. So another thing I want to talk about. So April was fantastic. Another great month. I might do another video just kind of talking about those numbers, but I'll just briefly tell you, it was a great month. A month that I was not expecting to do as well as I did, and did really, really well with revenue and profit. And May is going to be good too. So another thing, lastly, I want to make today kind of short, but lastly, I have a product review coming on a tool that I'm really impressed by. I just got it the other day. I've already been using it a little bit just to kind of see, like, is this thing legit or what? And it is very legit. And so I'm going to be doing that video here probably sometime this week or maybe next week, depending on how much time I have. But yeah, I just want to kind of give you guys these like weekly videos, sharing what's going on, what I can do to help you. As always, there's going to be links in the description, all the tools I use. If you click on those, it helps me out greatly. Go straight to my Amazon store, things like that. So anyway, if you got questions, put them below. And if you like today's video, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.